I'm sorry. Your bag is over the weight limit.
Alex looks at Lori. They have 1 minute to fix it. What do they do? After this video, you will know exactly what to say at an airport, even when something goes wrong. But first, one question. Alex has a problem with his bag at the counter. How does he fix it? Write your answer in the comments. Let's go.
Okay, we are here. Do you have your passport?
Yes, I have it. What do we do first?
We go to the check-in counter first. We check in there and give our big bags to them.
And they give us our boarding passes there?
Yes. You show the boarding pass at the gate to get on the plane.
My bag is heavy. I hope it is okay for check-in.
I think it is fine. Let's go and check. Hi, I have a reservation under Lori Chen.
Let me check. Yes, I have your booking. 2 passengers.
Yes, 2.
Can I see both passports, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Can you put your bag on the scale, please?
Sure, this is my check bag.
That is fine. And your bag, sir?
This one is mine.
That is fine too. Is this carry-on going in the cabin with you?
Yes, it is my carry-on. Is there a weight limit for carry-ons?
Yes, the limit is 7 kilos. We check carry-on bags too. Can you put it on the scale, please?
Of course.
I'm sorry. This bag is over the weight limit. It is 9 kilos.
9 kilos. What can I do?
You can pay to check it in, or you can take some things out to make it lighter.
How much is it to check in this bag?
It is $30.
Can we have one moment, please?
Of course, take your time.
$30. That is a lot.
I know. Do you have space in your bag?
Yes, move some things to my bag. I have space.
Are you sure? I don't want your bag to go over the weight limit, too.
My bag is fine. It is under the limit.
Okay, let's do that. What should I take out?
Check your shoes. Shoes are always heavy.
You are right. I have 2 pairs. I can put 1 pair in your bag.
Yes, put them in.
I also have a big water bottle in here. It is full.
You cannot bring any water through security. You need to finish it or throw it away.
Really? I cannot bring water at all?
No, but you can buy water after security inside the airport.
Okay, I will drink it now.
Good. Let's go back to the counter and try again.
Excuse me, can I put it on the scale again?
Of course, put it on, please. 6.5 kilos. That is fine.
6.5 kilos, so we can keep it as a carry-on?
Yes, here are your passports and boarding passes. Have a good flight.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bags done. Boarding passes done. What is next?
Now we go through the security check.
What do we need to do there?
You put your carry-on on the belt. Take out your laptop and put it in a bin.
What about my phone and keys?
Those go in the bin too.
And liquids. Can I bring anything?
No, you cannot bring liquids through security. Water, juice, anything like that. You cannot bring it.
I finished my water bottle already. No liquids.
Good. Then you're ready.
Good morning. Laptop out, please.
Of course. Do I need to take out anything else?
Phone and keys in the bin too, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. You can go through.
That was fast.
Security is fast when you know what to do. Now we need to find our gate.
Where is gate B14?
Let me check the departures board. We need to walk to the B gates.
And what time is boarding?
Boarding is at 2:30. We have 40 minutes.
Wait, the departures board says our flight is delayed.
Delayed? Yes. Flight TG917. It says delayed.
How long is the delay?
1 hour. So boarding is now at 3:30.
1 hour. Okay, we have time to sit down and relax.
Yes. Let's find seats near the gate. I want to be close when boarding starts.
Well, that was a lot for one morning.
It was. But we did it. Boarding passes, security, gate, all done. You know, anytime you are not sure about your bag, your water, anything, just ask, "Is this allowed?"
Is this allowed? Short and easy. Good to know. One phrase to keep. I have a reservation under Lori. You can use this at an airport, a hotel, or a restaurant. Just say your name at the end. Now, do you remember the question from the beginning? At the check-in counter, Alex has a problem with his bag. How does he fix it? Write your answer in the comments. I read every comment and I will reply to you in English. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more stories like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.